I just finished pulling together the research done for you analysis for this coming week, and I thought I would share with you some of the results from last week that have come out for the UK, Australia and the US. So here's the first one I'm going to show you, which is at Romford. So the 10:29, race 1, and trap 6 came in at 5-1. In Henlow, 2:48, again a race 1, and again we came first, and those odds were 8-1. In Yarmouth, again race 1, we came in at 5-1, and in Ireland, in Lifford, we came in at 4-1. In Australia, in Cannington on Saturday, we came in trap 1, and also again in Australia at Gawler, in race 1, we came in trap 2. In the US, we had a success in race 3 in Birmingham, and that's trap 8. And in Sanford, Orlando on Saturday, also race 2 came in, and that was Lady Capricious. There's one of those bitches that I love so much. So what I thought I would do is I'll give you a quick highlight of that particular race so you can enjoy the moment when Lady Capricious crosses the line. So here we go, here's the race, and as you can see, start the race, trap 2 is 7s, but once the race starts, the odds will move out as the final odds come clear. So here we go, any second now, we should have the start of the race with the hare running past the gate. There you'll see trap 2 changed to the odds of 8, so that's a good starting price. As you can see, for number 4, Jack's Gee Whiz takes the lead, but very, very close is that little bitch Lady Capricious right on her tail. And as they go around the back far stem and towards the last but one corner, it's Lady Capricious just opens up and keeps on running well away. Isn't that a great sight to see? Look at her really running ahead and enjoying her race. So there you are. Lady Capricious crosses the line first. She's one of those tips that we had in the 2-trap greyhound, not the particular dog of course, but the actual trap. So there you are, this week's 2-trap greyhound system, some of the results done for you analysis, and some of the results from last week. Hope you've enjoyed this short video.